Meet Carlos, a 28 years old man with a passion for connecting people and cultures. His journey began in the tourism industry, where he thrived on creating unforgettable experiences for travelers. But what happens when life takes an unexpected turn? Follow Carlos' story as he navigates the ups and downs of his career and discover what makes him truly happy.
Good morning, Miss Villanueva. Your Tokyo trip is all set. You'll stay in a beautiful ryokan near Mount Fuji, and I've arranged private food tour in Shinjuku. Would you like to add a kimono for rental?
That sounds wonderful. Yes, please.
Perfect! I'll finalize everything and send the itinerary. Enjoy your trip.
Wow, you're really good at this, Carlos. I wish I had your energy when handling clients. True, but with the tourism changing so much, are you ever worried about job stability?
Honestly, yes. I love this job, but I need backup plan if things don't work out.
Good morning. I wish I had better news, but due to financial struggles, we have to downsize. Some of you will let go, including you, Carlos.
I understand. Thank you for everything, ma'am.
I can't believe this is happening. Carlos, you're one of the best here. You'll find something. I'm sure of it.
I hope so. Seeking a candidate with strong communication, cultural awareness, and customer engagement skills. Wait, that sounds exactly what I did in tourism.
Carlos, you're coming from a tourism background. How do you think your skill transferred to digital marketing?
Tourism is about engaging with people, understanding their needs, and creating memorable experience just like marketing. I can use storytelling to attract customers and build brand loyalty.
That's an interesting perspective, but digital marketing relies on analysis. Do you have any experience with data?
I handled customer preferences, trends, and sales reports in tourism. I may not have marketing analytics experience yet, but I learned fast.
I like your mindset. We will give you a chance. Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much.
You may go.
Good morning. Good morning.
Welcome, Carlos. You will love it here. Social media marketing moves fast, so be ready.
It's great to have you, but I still prefer traditional marketing. Digital marketing moves too fast.
I get it. In tourism, I had to adapt different clients. Maybe we can blend traditional and modern approaches.
That could actually work.
Why won't this campaign report generate?
Don't worry, I'll show you a trick.
Thank you.
Carlos? Thanks, Carlos. Maybe digital marketing isn't so scary after all.
Our luxury brand appeals to global clients. Let's use cultural storytelling to connect with different markets.
Brilliant. This campaign highlights culture while promoting our product. Well done, Carlos.
I heard you're in digital marketing now. How did you transition so fast?
I just realized my tourism skills, communication, cultural awareness, and customer engagement are valuable everywhere. Culture isn't just for tourism, it's in business, marketing, and even technology.
That makes sense. I've been thinking of switching careers too. Any advice?
Just be adaptable. Think about the skills you already have and how they apply to new fields.
Through his journey, Carlos learned that adaptivity, cultural awareness, and willingness to learn were essential to success. He found joy in helping others and making meaningful connections. Carlos' story is a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of staying true to one's passions. By embracing change and exploring new opportunities, Carlos found happiness and fulfillment in his career.